go. Let's go, man. Bring it up in here, baby. Let's go. It's on us, man. Up front, this whole damn game. Put it in your mind. Let's be physical, baby. Dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Good afternoon from SoFi Stadium. Welcome to Super Bowl 56 as the biggest event in sports returns to the greater Los Angeles area for the 8th time in history. The last 2 weeks have been a whirlwind since we last connected. This group, the 2021 Los Angeles Rams, are together for the final time today in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in their home city tonight.
You got the alien! And Super Cooper! Yabernators, mount up! We're not leaving anything out here. Let's go. Make it play to them.
60 minutes, everything you got. It ain't nothing that we ain't never did before. It ain't nothing we ain't did before.
We here, man. We gotta take advantage of it. Let's dominate. Let's go dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate!
What a journey it's been for the Los Angeles Rams. All the things that have led up to this moment, all the games, all the plays, all the players, everything. The highs and the lows, all that for this right now. Can you feel it?
Dreaming of this moment, okay? You worked so hard. Perception versus reality, right? We know what you're all about. Go put on a show for us today. Put on a show. You don't know which rep it'll be. Make every rep like it's your last, bro. Because we're going to need it. And when we play our best, they don't got a shot. Let's be great, huh? Let's go.
I wonder which group here is going to step up today and take it. Which group is going to become heroes, become immortalized. That's what the Super Bowl is about. That's why I'm sitting here surrounded by a bunch of fans and a bunch of celebrities and more cameras than I can count right now. There's only room for one on top. Let's see who gets it done.
Hey, man. I love looking at y'all's faces, man. We've talked about it all year, bro. We a family, and as this game goes, we're going to get closer and closer in this circle, man. Because you know what the best part about the day is? All we got to do is be us. Let's go, man. Let's dominate. Dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dominate.
Finally, the Super Bowl has come back to Los Angeles. It is time. Time for a team to unleash a soul-crushing, unrelenting defense, a head-spinning onslaught of an offense, and take care of unfinished business right here, right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the champions of the NFC, your Los Angeles Rams!
60 of them, 60 minutes. It don't get no better than this. Don't get no better than this.
From the moment the Rams returned to Southern California, every single move that the Los Angeles Rams organization has made has pointed to this moment, the LA Super Bowl, and the Rams have played their way into it tonight against the Cincinnati Bengals.
Love you. Let's go, man. You deserve this.
Yep.
Let's earn it today.
Yep.
Let's go. Love it. Have fun.
I love
Keep
you,
being
Sean.
yourself. Love you
Enjoy
too,
every
buddy.
moment of this thing.
Let's do it. Hey. Love you, big guy. Let's do it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Love you, bro. Love you, man. One play at a time, man. Here we go.
The look in the eyes of these players right now couldn't be more jacked, couldn't be more ready to play. Coaches included, everybody dialed in. We talked about it. What would it look like if the Rams played their best game? It looks like we're about to find out in all 3 phases, guys. Can't wait for kickoff.
Let's go finish this. Oh, everybody got me right there. We still got some work to do. Let's do it right now. Let's go. Let's go. All day, baby. All day, all day, all day.
Hey,
let's go, boys. Let's go. Finish. 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 Love y'all. Let's get after their ass all day long. Knock out on 3. 1, 2, 3. Knock out. Let's go.
And knowing that this day was coming, every single moment of the Rams season has been animated by this possibility. A chance to play in the final game of the season. Well, here it is, 1 win away from a world championship. The Bengals begin looking for the first points of Super Bowl 56 on the first series for Cincinnati. It's 3rd down and 1 from across midfield. Burrow needs a yard. Brings Boyd in motion, takes the snap, hands off. A run over the right side, the Rams stuff it. They stuff it on 3rd and 1. It's 4th down from across midfield. And here's a decision for Zach Taylor. Gaines and Robinson stop the 3rd down carry from Piron. Will Burrow take this snap? Play clock at 7. He does. Wants to throw for it. It's tipped. It's nearly intercepted.
Yes!
It's a 4th down stop for the Rams. Ernest Jones undercut the routes, and Burrow and the Bengals fail on 4th down from midfield.
Great stop.
That's the way you start these shows, man. I'm talking about.
Playing with me, bro. They tripping for that one, AD. Going for it on 4th down and 1st drive of the Super Bowl. They tripping.
And here comes Matthew Stafford. 1 month ago, he did not have a playoff win. Now at 34, in his 13th season, a chance to be a Super Bowl champion.
Hey, let's go get some points right here. Come on, let's go take this lead. Let's go, come on.
All right, Matthew, trust what you see right here, buddy.
Matthew Stafford shortens up 3rd down. He's into Cincinnati territory. Here comes Kupp in motion. As Matthew Stafford takes a shotgun snap on 3rd down. Hitches left, swings it right. First catch for Kupp. Down the right sideline, a stiff arm. 35-30, cuts inside. Cooper Kupp spins at the 25 and has the 1st down.
We should be good here. Odell, get down in there.
Here comes 3rd down and 3. Spins it right side, looking for Odell Beckham Jr. He high points the football and has the 6. Touchdown OBJ. Touchdown LA.
Hey, you can feel that demeanor.
OBJ out the right side, brings it in for the go-ahead score, the first points of the Super Bowl.
Hey, I love that. Great job, man. That's awesome. Hey, look here. The eyes of Robert Woods right there. Who's the madman?
Defense wins championships, huh? Having a great quarterback definitely helps. Chef Stafford takes over, fillets the defense. OBJ just absolutely burns them. No hot sauce needed. Rams up 7-0 in the Super Bowl, man. Wow, what a drive.
Yeah. That's some good eats.
Good eat. Yeah. Hey, where'd that ball hit you? Good? It's a good spot, just kind of right out in front?
Eli used to throw it a little like.
No, I just couldn't see it.
Hey, I don't know why you didn't wear number 10. All you throw is dimes.
With 28 seconds remaining in the opening quarter of Super Bowl 56, the defense gets the pass breakup at the line to gain before they reach the goal line, and a 4th down field goal for McPherson. LA 7, Cincinnati 3.
Big stop. Hey.
Good stop there. It's a good stop. Good stop.
Take me home, Blair. Yep, let's go. A lot of ball. Let's go get 7 right here. Come on.
Matthew Stafford opens up the second quarter. Now he's in 3rd down and 11.
But here it is. It's time. This is why you got Matthew Stafford for those 3rd and 11s.
Come on. Come on, Odell.
Snap back to Stafford. 4-man rush. Has time to let it go. Right side. OBJ in space. The 40.
Go, Odell!
Right sideline 50. Beckham out of bounds. He reaches the Cincinnati 40.
Yes!
Matthew Stafford holds on and finds Odell Beckham Jr. for 35 and a first.
Listen to this, Matthew. Let's do this here, buddy. Darrell Henderson.
Stafford will fake the toss. Boot out to his right. Sets his feet. Wanted to take the top off. Instead throws the wheel. It's caught. Darrell Henderson inside the 20 and shouldered out.
91 on Darrell. Yo. Darrell. Yeah, 91 covering Darrell.
Matthew Stafford under center. 2nd and 4. A motion from the right, Van Jefferson. Here's a play fake.
Go!
Roll right. Cooper cuts in the end zone. Stafford sees him. Back pylon caught. Cooper clutch. The most complete receiving season in NFL history. Now includes a Super Bowl touchdown.
Nice job.
Touchdown Cooper Kupp.
Let's go!
Touchdown LA for a 13-3 lead with 12:51 to go before the half.
Keep rolling, bro. Hey. Literally, when I was born, the doctor was like, oh yeah, he's supposed to play in the Super Bowl. He's supposed to win it too. Right when I was born.
No cap.
Super Bowl, baby.
second quarter here. The Rams have touchdown receptions from OBJ and Cooper Kupp. They got a 13-3 lead. Here's the 12th play, and it's a toss right, and it's a pass. Mixon to the end zone. It's caught. T. Higgins on the receiving end.
Here we go. Right back down the field here, buddy.
Second down and 9. Stafford's ready. Play clock at 3. Leaning in from the shotgun, has the snap. Bengals rush 4. Stafford deals. Short, juggled, and dropped. And OBJ goes down.
Oh no. What did he just do?
Oh, what a scary reaction that is from Odell Beckham Jr.
Is that his knee?
And I hope that that is not a serious non-contact injury.
Non-contact, I think he tore it.
13-10 Rams, and their star receiver on the turf here at SoFi Stadium. He has a 17-yard touchdown reception in this game, but with 3:50 to go second quarter, he now leads.
O just went down. Yeah. We're gonna need to step up even more on defense. Yeah. We gotta get more out of defense now. All right? We got to. We gotta step up even more.
First down Bengals, under center. Here's the first snap, a play fake. Pressured immediately, steps up, lets it go. Deep down the left side, into coverage, going up to make the catch. T. Higgins. 20, 10, 5, touchdown Cincinnati on the opening play of the third quarter. As we see the replay, not only did Higgins pull the left arm of Jalen Ramsey, but he got him by the face mask to throw him to the turf as well.
That's bad. That's bad.
Bro, that is insane, bro.
Let's go respond right here. Here we go, boys. Let's go.
Stafford starts in the gun. Akers to his left. Play fake, sets up to throw. Lets it go middle. It's tipped. It's intercepted. Picked off at the 30. Through the hands of Ben Skoranek and taken away by the Bengals. The Bengals, on 2 plays, have a touchdown and an interception to begin the third quarter.
That one, brother. Yeah.
Man, good ball.
I couldn't hold it any longer. No. Couldn't hold it any longer. I tried to put it down to be safe, but
The rest of the day, you got to be ready to beat the guy over you like you did, but just be ready to finish that. But you'll be fine.
Rams trying to hold the Bengals to a long field goal try after an interception. Burrow's alone in the gun. 3 to his right, 2 to his left. Here comes the blitz from the linebacker level. He spins out left. At the numbers, he's going to scramble. Aaron Donald decks him at the sideline. Shoved him out of bounds, and now Aaron Donald's being shoved. He gets into it with the Cincinnati offensive line and the rest of the bench. Third down and 3 from the Rams 11. Burrow calls for the snap. Rams bring 5. He hitches. He's hit. Aaron Donald gobbles him up. Sacked outside the 20. AD 99 showing up in Super Bowl 56.
Great response.
The Rams defense rises to the occasion after the Stafford interception. They hold the Bengals to a field goal.
let's get it, baby. Let's go. Set your mind now. Set your mind.
And so Matthew Stafford brings his offense back out.
Here we go.
I'm on the right hash. Right hash. Give me Darrell Henderson.
Stafford's alone in the shotgun. Here's the snap. Back to throw. Settles in. Deals over the right side. Jump ball caught. Darrell Henderson above the 40 and out right sideline. Third down and 5. The snap, the give. Sweeping left. It's an end around. Here comes Cooper Kupp. He throws it. Too tall for Stafford. Incomplete.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
Kick the field goal. Field goal.
Gay from the center of the field. A 41-yard attempt is right down the middle. Matt Gay, pure from 41.
You got this, baby. One stop at a time.
Burrow in the gun. Rams showing blitz. They send it from the linebacker level. Burrow, it breaks down, and he's decked! He's decked! Sacked by Ernest Jones. Back at the 21. The Rams defense gets off the field. LA trails by 4.
Let's win it. Come on. Let's win it. Let's win it. Come on. Let's win it. Let's win it. Let's win it. Come on. Let's win it. Come on. Let's go, man. I can't put a...
Rams on the ball for third down and 7. Empty shotgun snap. Stafford needs 7. Steps up. He's hit. He's tripped. He's sacked. Sacked at the 44 of Los Angeles. Reeder gets there again. And Stafford now limping off under his own power.
Well, he got rolled up there on that sack, but there it is. His ankle got rolled up as Reader goes in.
Left ankle rolled and then trapped under the big body. Meantime, the injuries are notable. Odell Beckham Jr. downgraded to out. And Matthew Stafford getting that left cleat taped up for his next drive. The defense back on the field.
Last quarter. All we got. Nothing left. Let's go. Nothing left.
Burrow and Cincinnati ready. Snap back. Burrow hitches. He's hit. He is grabbed again. This one belongs to A'Shawn Robinson as Burrow tried to escape the pocket. Burrow ready again as he takes it belt high. Sets, flush. Von Miller gets there. Von Miller. He is wrapped up.
Yes!
That's a big sequence of events, Maurice.
Now we're coming to life. Now we're coming to life, D.
When you talk about heating up, my goodness, this defense, they're not playing no games.
Massive stop by the Rams D. A'Shawn Robinson just bench pressing bodies out there. Ernest Jones takes over. Tackles. They need to stand up, get the ball back to the offense.
3rd down 9. Rams rush 5. Pocket crumbling. Burrow will have to eat it again. Sacked inside his 30.
Don't let them go. Don't let them go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't let up. Don't let up. They scared. They scared. They scared. They scared. Come on.
Still a long way to go in Super Bowl 56, but this is a critical drive for the Rams.
You're going to have one more drive. That's what it's looking like here. Now it's time for your offense to go down here and win this game.
Stop clock, 6:20, 4th quarter. 4-point lead for the Bengals as they punt it away.
Hey, let's get the offense down here real quick. Come here down here. Come here, guys. Come here. Everybody come down here. Hey, come here real quick. Let me talk to them. Hey, guys, let me just tell you something right now. What you're not going to regret is waking up right now, playing our best ball, good execution. There's 9:58 left. Our defense is playing great. They're going to get a stop. Be in the moment. One play at a time. Believe it, and you'll be world champs. Believe this. Let's find it right here in our gut. Go get this done. Let's go. All right, I believe it.
Big team. We need one. That's it. They gonna hold it down. We need one.
Go.
Make a play.
Gotta get one. Let's go.
Who wants to make a play?
I need you, babe. Come on. I need you.
All we need is one drive.
All right, boys, let's go. Right here. Hey, one drive now. Let's go. Come on.
Matthew Stafford at age 34 in his 13th season. Never had a playoff win until this campaign. Now can he go win the Super Bowl? 3rd down, they need 1. Stafford's under center. Opens up left. He hands off. And fighting for 1st down yardage. I don't think Akers got it. This looks like 4th down.
Should we go for it?
The decision of Sean McVay's life right here. 4th down from his own territory. Trailing 20-16, he's keeping his offense on the field.
Hey, let's go. Get this thing now. Let's go.
Stafford under center. He needs 1 on 4th down. Cooper Kupp in motion. Now sprints. It's the jet sweep out the right side. He cuts inside. He's got it to the 35 before he's dropped.
Good. Hey, let's go right now.
Throw left. Caught by Cooper Kupp. Up to the 45 before he's planted. 8 yards on 2nd and 10.
Dig deep. Dig deep.
4 Bengals rushing Stafford. He steps up and deals over the middle. Cooper Kupp makes the catch at the Cincinnati 30. Spun down inside the 25. The Triple Crown winner cannot be stopped. 20 yards and a 1st down. Matthew Stafford, the comeback king. 4 fourth-quarter comebacks this season. 35 career. 6 game-winning drives for the Rams. Does he have another? 1st and 10 throw, right side, tight window. Kupp brings it in.
Hey, let's go. Tell Cam, let's go, man.
Hey, Cam. Let's do it, baby.
2nd and 2. Shotgun snap Stafford. Gives inside to Akers. Cuts away from 1. Breaks the tackle. Digs down inside the 15. Still fighting below the 10. 1st and goal, Rams.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Cam Akers with the most determined run of Super Bowl 56. 8 yards and a 1st down at the 2-minute warning. Cam Akers in the backfield as Stafford takes a snap, rolls to his right at the numbers, whistles one to the end zone.
Oh my gosh, throw the flag.
A flag down as Kupp takes a shot to the helmet.
Get the out of here. Hey! Was that you? Was that you? Was that you? Was that you? Was that him?
The ball stays at the 4. The down stays first. The most important question, how's Cooper Kupp doing?
You all right?
All right, Matthew, you ready for this? This is going to be your game winner right here, buddy.
Hey, huddle up. Let's go.
Tell Cooper to go to the outside location here, Matthew. Hey, let's go, man. This is to win the Super Bowl. Let's go.
Now with 1:29 remaining in regulation in Super Bowl 56, it's second and goal from inside the 1.
Let's go! Take me home!
Matthew Stafford, 6 game-winning drives for the Rams this season. He was the best fourth quarter quarterback in the game. Has he saved his best for Super Bowl 56? Stafford from under center, steps back, throws the fade, back shoulder. Cooper Kupp's got it! Cooper Kupp brings it in!
Yes! Yes!
Touchdown! Touchdown! Touchdown, LA! With 1:25 remaining, the Rams are back on the high side.
I love you, man. Whatever the happens, I love you. That's a big time drive.
Matthew Stafford's done it again.
Hey, that's gutsy. Great job. Hey, you are such a baller.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You are a bad man. Let's go. You a bad man. Super Cooper. Hey, championship drive right there. Battle with me. I love your hair. Let's go. Come on.
1:25 left, fourth quarter at SoFi Stadium.
Hey, what else? What else could you want? What else could you want? Right now. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, Aaron, this is the moment. Right now.
When people wanted drama, you have it. What they call a Money McPherson. They're trying to get in the field goal range for their kicker. Can the Rams defense hold them out?
Samaje Perine stays in the backfield. Burrow stays in the gun. Takes a waist-high snap, gives to Perine. Tries the right side. Runs into Aaron Donald, who hangs on for no gain. It'll be 4th down Bengals and 1.
Hey, man, it's 4th down. We got to get this loud. Let's go. Hey, come on. Yeah, come on.
For the world championship right here. Aaron Donald's going to make a play.
This is your time. Aaron Donald wanted that ring. The football gods only do this right. They're going to give Aaron Donald a chance to end this game, to win a ring, to cement his legacy. Can he do it?
Rams creepy. They rush forward. Burrow to throw for it. He's hit. He flings it away on 4th down. Aaron Donald got there.
Yes! I knew it! I knew he would make a play!
Donald takes his helmet off in celebration. He signals to his ring finger on his left hand.
That's 4th down. We won, baby. We won.
Rings for the Rams. A Lombardi trophy for Los Angeles.
Hey, great job.
Let's go. Look.
I won it! Aaron, hey, come here. Hey, come here. Hey, I knew. World champs. World champs. Great job. We're world champs. Yes, sir. We're world champs. I knew you would make that play. We're world champs. I knew you would make that play.
And you can build that man's statue right now. The greatest of all time on defense does it in the biggest moment of Super Bowl 56.
You're a world champion. Love you. You are a world champion. Love you, man. Love you.
I love you, man.
Love you, baby. I love you, man. You're a baller, dude. Unbelievable today. Hey, victory on 1, boys. Let's go. We're waiting. Where's that?
23-20 is the final.
You got one, baby. You got one, baby. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it.
I wanted this so bad, man. I wanted this so bad. I love you, man. I wanted this so bad.
Let's go. Win.
Woo!
Let it go, man. Proud of you.
Hey, mama, I love you. I'm coming home a world champion.
It was all worth it. It was all worth it, baby. Let's go. We up today. We did it. We did it.
Oh, man. So proud of you, bro.
We did it.
So proud of you,
We're
bro.
world champs.
You did it, brother.
We're world champs.
Forever, bro. Forever.
Look at this. Look at it. Take it in, man. Take it in.
World champs,
We're world
baby.
champs.
I love you, dog.
Hey, you don't know how much you did for me, bro. When you talk to me, I listen. As God said. You talk about being a better leader, I listen. You said I didn't even hear my voice, I listen to you. I mean the world, bro. Nah, man, that's all God. I love you forever. I swear to God, put us together, man. That's unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. You were so great. I loved it, man. I love you, bro.
By the way, they just told me you're MVP. You deserve that, buddy. I love you. Put your hands on that thing.
Oh, you big fella. I love you, girl. Oh, we won the Super Bowl. How's that? How about that? But that doesn't really matter. What matters is I think we're going to Disneyland tomorrow.